Sleek, modern, and built for adventure, this curved tiny home is a perfect blend of styles and functionality. With its crisp white exterior, bold black accents, and a striking curved roof, this home redefines mobile living. The carefully designed windows, some with a distinctive triangular shape, bring in plenty of natural light while adding a futuristic touch to the homes. Step inside in a tiny home that redefines modern living with its elegant curved ceiling, a bright white exterior accents with bold black details, and a design that maximizes both style and functionality. This home proves that small space can feel spacious, cozy, and luxurious all at once. One of the most striking features of this tiny home is curved ceiling, a design choice that not only enhances aesthetic but also creates a sense of openness. The smooth flow of the ceiling paired with a carefully chosen color palette make the space feel larger and more inviting. Natural light plays a key role in this home ambience with windows of varying shape and size, some featuring an eye-catching triangular design. Every corner is bathed in daylight, reducing the need of artificial lighting and creating a bright, airy atmosphere. Despite its compact size, the kitchen is fully equipped with daily life. Clean white cabinetry contrasts beautiful with black countertops, offering both style and practically. With a stove, sink, and just enough counter space, this kitchen is perfect for preparing meals without feeling cramped. Right next to the kitchen, the dining area provides a comfortable space for meals, work, or simply relaxing with a cup of coffee. Positioned near a window, it's offer a peaceful while you dine, and for those moments of relaxation, and this small yet cozy sofa is the perfect spot to unwind. This tiny home features not just one but two sleeping areas. The loft bed, nestled under the curving ceiling, offered a private and cozy retreat, perfect for restful nights. Below, a second bed provides additional sleeping space, making this home ideal for individual, couple, or even small families. With its thoughtful layout, modern design, and efficient of-use space, this curved tiny home offers everything you need in a beautifully compact package. From its well-lit interior to its smart storage solution, it's proof that great design is not about size, it's about creativity and functionality. And welcome to the journey of building a modern curved tiny home, a perfect fusion of innovative design and mobility. Set in a serene natural environment, this project brings together craftsmanship, creativity, and functionality to create a one-of-kind living space. Every great home starts with a strong foundation, and in this case, the foundation is a custom-built trailer designed to support the weight of the tiny home while allowing for easy mobility. This ensures that the home is not only sturdy but also road-ready for future adventures. The defining feature of this tiny home is its gracefully curved frame designed for both aesthetic and structural efficiency. Using precision engineering, the frame is carefully shaped to create a modern aerodynamic design that maximizes space while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance. Windows are more than just opening; they are bring the outdoor inside. Okay, then this tiny home feature a variety of windows shape, including custom triangular design that add character and allow natural light to flood the space. And the black windows frames contrast beautifully against the soon-to-be white exterior, enhancing the home's modern look. To ensure durability and comfort, every section of the frame is carefully reinforced. Use once of Once the structure is secure, insulation will be added to regulate temperature, keeping the home cozy in winter and cool in summer, perfect for your round living. Set against the backdrop of nature, this tiny home is designed to complement its surroundings, whether parked in a forest, by a lake, or in a open field. Its curved design harmonizes beautifully with the environment, offering a peaceful retreat with wherever it goes. With the frame complete, the next phase of construction will bring this tiny home to life. Stay tuned as we continue transforming this unique structure into a fully functional and stylish living space. Okay, this is a beautifully designed tiny home bathroom that maximizes styles and functionality with a calming beige and white color palette, bold black accent, and a curved ceiling. This compact space offers both comfort and practicality. One of the standout feature of this bathroom is about the curved ceiling, which not only enhances the sense of space but also adds a touch of elegance. Paired with strategically placed medium-sized windows, natural light floats the room, making it feel bright and open. The vanity area is designed with both aesthetic and practically in mind. A stylish white sink sits on a warm wooden countertop, blending natural and modern elements. Above a mirror not only adds functionality but also enhances the perception of space. The black accent from the faucet to the cabinet handles create a sophisticated contrast against the natural tones. Despite the bathroom compact size, the shower space is designed for comfort. A glass partition keeps the area open while ensuring separation from the rest of the room. The black shower head and fixture add a modern touch, standing out beautifully against the beige and white backdrop. A well-placed toilet fits seamlessly into the layout, balancing function and style. Its sleek design ensures it doesn't overpower the space, while the black flush button maintains consistency with an overall design theme. Ventilation is crucial in any bathroom, and this discreet yet powerful exhaust fan ensure that humidity and outdoors are efficiently removed, keeping the space fresh at all times. Meanwhile, the carefully chosen tile flooring adds durability and a touch of texture, completing the bathroom modern aesthetic. From its elegant curving ceiling to its stylish black accent, this tiny home bathroom proves that a small space can still feel luxurious. Smart design choice, efficient storage solution, and a carefully curated color palette make this bathroom a perfect balance of beauty and function. Okay, again, and between the exterior and some of the interior that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition, and this doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful and meaningful ideas and inspiration for your new tiny home or for your own tiny home right there. And would you live in a home like this? And let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment below, and please wait for more incredible tiny home design. Have a good day.